Hey y'all, it's Don Bree Barbecue back in front of the grill today. If you're coming back, welcome back. If it's your first time here, hey, thanks for checking us out. Today we're going to be talking buttered shrimp. This is super simple, super easy. It's a great side dish to throw up on your grill. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, punch the like button. Let's make buttered shrimp. So for this recipe, I've just got some brown shrimp here. I normally like to get the easy peel, but these are not the easy peel, so we're just going to go ahead and see if we can't get in here and get that shell off of them. That wasn't too bad, but we're going to go ahead and get the rest of these kind of cleaned up here. We want to take the shells off of them. It gives us more surface area for that rub and everything else that we're going to put on these. Now, I do like to just leave the tail on them just because it makes for a better presentation whenever you're done. That's just me. You could cook these with whatever shrimp you like to use. I normally like to use the Argentinas, the Argentina Reds, but today I just had the brown shrimp. They're good, but they're just not my favorite. They didn't have the easy peel at the store today, or at least not fresh ones, and I always like to cook fresh shrimp. It's not terrible. It's not super hard, but definitely the easy peel is the way to go if you're gonna do it this way. All right, so we've got our shrimp kind of all cleaned up here. We've got all the shells off of them. We left the tails on. That's what we want to do. Now then we're just going to take this shrimp, toss it in our bowl here. Got the shrimp in the bowl. Now then what I want to do is I want to come back with a little bit of seasoning on these. I'm going to be using this Cajun rub by Pit Boss. I want these to have a little bit of heat. We're going to be putting a lot of other flavors in there, but I want them to have a little bit of spice with that rub that we put on there. This rub's also going to give them a nice little color. It's going to add a little bit of heat. It's not going to be too bad. I mean, if you don't like heat, you use whatever rub you want to use on these, but this is just what I'm going with today. Like I said, cook this dish however you want to. Make it your own. We've got that shrimp all nice and seasoned up now. It's looking great. Now we're going to come in here. We're just going to take a half a lime. You could use a lemon. You could use a lime. All I had today was just a lime, so that's what I'm going with. Use what you got in your fridge, you know. Make it however you want to make it. Just use what you got. We're going to go ahead and give that another mix. I'm going to hit them with just a little bit more rub. Now we're going to take this shrimp and we're just going to lay it in a pan. Doesn't matter how you lay it. I kind of like to lay it in there with the tail kind of up. So I'll show you whenever I get done with it kind of how I like to lay it in there. But do whatever you want to do with it. I mean, you can just throw it in there if you want to, but this is how I like to lay the shrimp in there. Go in with the last two here just to make our rows complete. All right, there we've got it. This is kind of how I like to lay the shrimp in there. Like I said, do it however you want to do it. I just think this makes it cook better. It makes for a better presentation. Now then what we're going to do is we're going to come back with 1 stick of melted butter. Use whatever butter you want to use. I'm using Kerrygold, but you can just use whatever butter you have. So we're just going to pour this butter into the pan. Now I'm going to come back with just a little bit more rub just to finish these things off. Give them a nice little color on top. And then I'm going to come back with a few sprigs of rosemary. Completely optional. You don't have to do the rosemary if you don't want to. If you don't like it, leave it out. I like it. It adds another depth of flavor in this shrimp. Makes it taste delicious. So now then we've got the rosemary. We've got the shrimp. It's all rubbed up. We're going to get it out there. Throw it on the grill. We're going to be cooking today at 275 degrees. These things are going to take about 20 minutes. This is a great appetizer dish if you're looking for something for 4th of July or any holiday, any get-together. This is a super simple, easy dish to throw together. We're going to go ahead and get that smoker fired up, and I'll bring you back. All right, so we've got that grill fired up. It's cruising at 275 degrees. Like I said, this is going to be a pretty quick cook. We're looking at 20 to 30 minutes tops on this shrimp. You just want it to get it to a nice color. Basically, I've seen these things go 20, 30 minutes, and that's about it. So we're just going to throw these things on there, let them get a cook. Those things are going to braise in that butter while they're cooking. Also, they're gonna take on a little bit of smoke. That's what makes this dish so special. This shrimp's gonna be delicious. So that shrimp has been on there for about 25 minutes. It's got some real nice color on it. It's looking absolutely delicious. We're gonna go ahead and get that off of here, bring it over, let it rest, and then we'll kind of show you the finished product. All right, so that shrimp's been on there for about 30 minutes. This is a quick cook. Doesn't take long at all, but it's a great dish to throw together for an appetizer. Give somebody something to snack on. We've got some real nice color on that shrimp. You can see there, we've got some real pretty color on it. That shrimp is cooked completely. It's been braised in that butter. We've got the rosemary. Everything's coming together. This shrimp is absolutely delicious. Like I said, I like to leave the tail on there just because it gives somebody a handle so that they can grab it. Let's just go in, take a bite, see how we did. You get the flavor from that rub. It's spicy, but not too spicy. That shrimp is absolutely delicious. If you like what you see here, I got other social media pages. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. All of those, you can follow me at Dime Breed Barbecue. We just cooked up butter shrimp out there on the grill. Thanks for watching.